Yeah, g'day folks, Joel from WesTrac with you again on a beautiful winter's day here in Newcastle. And what a machine I got for you today. You've actually got your choice of two JEL prefix D11Ts that have just had full CPT Plus rebuilds in our Tomago workshop. All major components have been replaced along with the Mesabai Radiator group. CPT Plus rebuild basically meaning that no expense has been spared on this machine. So all the hydraulic cylinders, pumps, valves and hoses have been done. All the main wiring harnesses have been done, chassis updates completed. New track groups and running gear with extreme service shoes added. There is the SU blade on the front, single shank ripper on the back, factory ladder on the other side. Service box installed, isolation box, LED lights all around. Machines available in our Newcastle yard. Give us a call to discuss. Cheers.